Hey folks, today is May the 10th. It's currently 10:24 in the morning. We're going to do our Agimat FX IQ automated trading session today. This might be our last trading session with the automated system. I wanted to give you guys kind of a idea of how the automated system actually trades, and I think I've done that at this point. I've shown, actually, let's go ahead and start the algo. All right, so we should be able to enter trades now, and we can also take a look at the news for the day. And you can see here at 8:30, we had several news releases out of the US. So I wanted to make sure we started trading today after that happened. So it's about 10:30, so we should be good to go. All right, and like I was saying, I think I've shown you guys what the vendor recommends as far as setting the trailing stop and everything. And also the vendor does recommend not using a stop when entering these trades. And this is what we got taken out right here on that USD CAD, and it looks like it is retracing. So that's something that you guys might want to consider as far as not using a stop loss, which is what, like I said, the vendor recommends. We did take a stop out. I think it was USD CAD. Let's come into history. Yep, USD CAD, and it looks like it is retracing. But honestly, guys, it could just as easily continue going down, or it might continue pushing up here. All right, let's check over here, USD Swiss franc. We'll go ahead and enter our trailing stop there. Like I said, for me personally, I always like to have a stop in place, but you kind of have to decide on your own what you want to do, because if this does continue to go up, for the vendor, this might not have been a losing trade, as you can see here. All right, let me check Euro USD. But I know that has the potential to keep trades open significantly longer, because it might take, a week or so for a trade to come back. There's no telling how long it could take for a trade to come back. And for me, since I'm doing these videos, I don't want to have trades open for a week or longer. But like I said, if you're somebody that's trading in your own account and you're not having to put out videos or anything like that, it might be worth it, or you might not have a problem, having trades open. So I think I will continue to do the manual trades where we're on the 1 minute chart, because we're typically in and out on those trades the same day. With these trades, you're in the trades a bit longer. I've had trades, I think, where I've been in there a day or two. So yeah, definitely when I do the FTMO challenge, I'll be doing that with, the manual system on the 1 minute chart, so that way we can get in and out of trades quickly. Also, I had somebody mention, where is it at here? I asked about an EA that will manage the trades for us, and somebody in one of the comments sections mentioned this one: XP Trade Manager Forex Tools for Traders. And this is set up so that, let me get back to overview, you can actually, from my understanding, set this up on another another chart that does not have any EA set on it, and it will automatically manage the trades for you. So it'll automatically set a stop. It'll automatically basically manage the trades without having to go in and do those things. So yeah, just wanted to make sure I mentioned that. XP Forex Trade Manager for MT4. So that's something you guys can look into. I'm not sure if they have this for MT5 as well. I'll look into that, but I just wanted to put that on everybody's radar. All right, I'll be back once we get a strong push in one direction or the other. All right, folks, I just double checked on that, and it does look like, indeed, XP Forex Trade Manager for MT5. So they do have it there as well. And we can see here, you can set your stop loss. You can set your take profit if you want to use one. Use break even, set to true there. Trailing stop, set to true. Start. So yeah, it looks like it could definitely be beneficial. So if that's something you guys want to look into, you can definitely do that. Might make it a little bit easier. Like I said, I don't have a problem, I guess, entering things manually for the time being. I know the vendor recommends if we're going to trade it, we do so when we're able to actually be at, the charts, and actually be at the computer staring at the chart and watching it, so we can manage it. Let me go back over here to Euro USD. buy. All right, so yeah, just wanted to give you guys that quick update. All right, I'll be back. Hey folks, something interesting just happened. The market, or the EA, closed out both of the trades that we had open. They had not approached the stop that was actually in place here, but it just went ahead and closed out those trades. You can see here, Euro USD, USD Swiss franc. That was very interesting. So $20 loss on that first one, and the second $25 loss on the second one. So it looks like the EA will go ahead and close out orders. So yeah, I definitely probably won't be putting the stops in place. We'll just let the EA manage that. We'll still continue to come in and place the trailing stop. All right, so yeah, definitely happy to see that the EA does do that. And we can see here we're in a buy trade on USD Swiss franc. So we'll watch it and see what happens there. All right, I'll be back. All right, folks, looks like we got another trade entered here on USD CAD. And it is, let me go and get this trailing stop in. And we're going to go ahead and turn off the algo. It's 2 o'clock now, as you can see here. I got to leave it about 2:20, but I wanted to get these videos out to you guys. So all we can do is try with the time we have. So we're going to let these run and see how they turn out. All right, I'll be back. All right, folks, it is now 2:26. Got to get ready and head out, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update on where we stand. All right, as we can see here, we got 2 trades open. One, the USD CAD, it's down $4, $5, as you can see here. Second trade, USD Swiss franc, it's also a buy. It's down about $12, about 12 bucks. So I'm going to let these 2 continue to play out, and when I get back in about 5:30, 6 o'clock this afternoon, we'll take a look at it, just so you guys can see. It's about 2:30 now. So a few hours from now, I'll be back and we'll see how these 2 trades have turned out. All right, I'll be back then. Hey folks, it is May 11th, currently about 10:40 in the morning. I want you guys to see what happened with our 2 trades that we had open. You can see here that USD Swiss franc trade. That was ended up being a nice win. As you can see, we got in about right here. Market did go against us before coming back, and then we got this nice big bar here. Trailing stop did what it was supposed to do. We caught $26.65 on that trade. And on USD CAD, we can take a look at this one. That was also a buy trade. Similarly, the market went against us before we got this nice healthy bar right here that pushed up. Then the market pushed up again before retracing, and the trailing stop got us out right there for a small win of $6.34. We can see here we did get a pullback, but the market did end up pushing up again. Pretty, how much is this? 941 points. So yeah, definitely a nice push up there. And let me see here. There was one other thing I wanted to show you guys. I believe it was this trade right here. The vendor did mention that he doesn't use a stop, and on this particular buy trade, we ended up getting stopped out right there. And I just wanted to make note that if we had let this trade continue to run without placing a stop, eventually it would have ended as a winning trade. As we can see here, the market did retrace shortly after we got stopped out, and I'm assuming our trailing stop, probably on this push up right here, trailing stop would have kicked in and taken us out. So about what, 16 pips or so. So yeah, trailing stop definitely would have kicked in somewhere in here and taken us out. And that was our biggest losing trade there, right here, as you can see. USD CAD, $43 loss. So yeah, if you are trading, maybe just let the EA handle the stop. You know, I did make a note of that here. No need to play stop. EA will exit the trade. All you really have to do is enter the trailing stop, so that way once the trade gets into profit, the EA will start managing it. Also, we can make note of the fact that for a 1K account, you know, the lot size again is going to be 0.1 lots, and you can trade it on up to 3 pairs. As I've mentioned a few times previously, I probably, on the next phase of testing that I do, it'll probably be with the manual system on the 1 minute chart. With the hourly, I definitely would like to see kind of the trade management stuff get a bit more automated, so that you don't have to do as much manual intervention, like setting the trailing stop, doing that manually and things like that. So definitely, hopefully that will come along at some point. Next, I plan on testing out I guess the manual system on the FTMO challenge and seeing if we can get that passed in that way. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. This will probably be the last update for the automated system until they do, I guess until the vendor updates the system, and I guess it makes it so that we don't have to do as much on the management side. Alright, so that is going to be it. If you guys have any questions, you guys can let me know below. And I'm speaking, of course, on the automated version. Like I said, I'll do more videos on the manual system because it's on the 1 minute chart and I can get in and out of trades and possibly put out videos every day on that. Alright, so if you guys want to test out the Agimat FXIQ automated system, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. And I will see you probably next week when we start doing the manual system with the FTMO stuff. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next update. Take care.